I'm a lawyer, a professor of law, and my brother is a senior advocate of Nigeria.
Former Commissioner Housing, Rivers State. It's my pleasure.
And I'm also a private legal practitioner. I'm happy to be here this morning, and I pray that everything goes well. Thank you.
Rivers State House of Assembly. My name is Isaac Kamalo. I'm a lawyer by training. I'm from Eleme.
My name is Dr. George Kelly, Alabo.
Draw the attention of this August Assembly to a letter sent to this House by His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, GSSRS. Let me read the letter. Right, the letter is dated 11th December 2023. Right, Honorable Martin Chiki Amehuli, DSSRS, Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, Port Harcourt. Request for screening and confirmation of Commissioner nominees. May I forward the underlisted nominees to the Rivers State House of Assembly for screening and reconfirmation as commissioners and members of the Rivers State Executive Council in terms of the Presidential Peace Declaration. 1. Zacchaeus Adango, SAN, DSSRS. 2. Dr. Jacobson Mbina, DSSRS. 3. Dr. Gift Wallo. 4. Mrs. Inime Chinwenwo Abuma, DSSRS. 5. Engineer Chukwemeka Woke, FLSC, DSSRS. Professor Prince Chinedu Mom, JP, DSSRS. 7. Dr. George Kelly D. Alabo, FNIQS, DSSRS. 8. Honorable Isaac Kamalo, DSSRS. And lastly, the ninth name is Engineer Austin Ben Shoma, DSSRS. Thank you for the kind consideration of my request by the House, and please accept, Mr. Speaker, the assurance of my highest regards. Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSSRS, Governor, Rivers State.
I've been screened by this House separately. By your leave, kindly let them take power and leave the halogen.
Hold on. Just like you said, we've just been screened, and we've just been screened. That's all I can say.
I mean, Honorable, yes, indeed, we know that you've just been screened. However, you resigned, right? And you're coming back again. You said you resigned on a matter of principle. Have those principles changed?
Those principles are still there, and they can never change. Thank you, and God bless you.
Right, Honorable Speaker.
No, leader. The speaker
No photo.
Go. I'm leading you. Yeah, the leader. Let's just get it.
Can we go through the votes?
The right, Honorable Speaker. The right, Honorable Speaker.
No, leader. The speaker
No photo.
Go. I'm leading you.